Chairperson, U.S. Pinoys for Good Governance. At the same time, she is the chair of Global Filipinos Diaspora Council. The Philippines is indeed the pearl of the Orient. God has endowed our country with a pearl of great price, billions of barrels of oil, and trillions to quadrillions cubic feet of natural gas. China needs our oil and our natural gas, and brazenly claims what is ours by international law belong to them by reason of ancient maps. China acts like the bully of the neighborhood who carries a big weapon to frighten everyone into submission. Let us stand united under the United Nations Arbitral Tribunal. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat po.